Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
So this is the only time that we both are at home. Some time to clear my head, clear my thoughts, completely away from technology. I think that is the most important for me. Jhadu pocha, I'm so not enjoying it. Hi guys, this is Chavi Mittal and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Actually, yeah, I've kind of lost count myself of how many days it's been, but I think it's just a matter of how soon you can get used to a particular situation. And once I made my peace with the fact that I'm going to be stuck at home, it was pretty okay. And to be honest, it's not that bad because at least you're in your own house, you know. I always feel that I'm in my house, I'm with my family, my kids, so it's really quite okay. It's actually really important to have a routine during this lockdown because these days are very different from the normal days, which are office days, school days. And for the kids, I have some interesting things that I do with them. One is that I include them in my workout. So even my little one and my elder one, both of them like to hang around at the time that I'm working out. And Arham loves to come to the kitchen when I'm cooking, and he loves to be in my godi when I'm cooking to watch what I'm doing, you know, what's happening on the gas, what's being cooked, how I'm putting the veggies in the pans. And Ariza actually likes to help me cook in a way that she peels the garlic, and she even does a little bit of chopping. And one of the favorite things that I've done for the kids during the lockdown is that I've incorporated a routine of reading. So every now and then I divide the day into 4 chapters, literally, in which I read 4 chapters from a book, whatever Ariza wants me to read. And I also give her an activity related to what we are reading. So it could be, you know, creating the whole story that we read with the toys that she has, or just to paint it in her own version in a drawing book. Me time is something which is always very, very challenging for me, and especially during the lockdown because the kids are always around and all of us are confined to the same space. But for me, me time is the time that I spend with the kids and the family and time away from work. So it's really not that difficult in that sense. And there are times when I feel like I just want to be alone and I need some time to clear my head, clear my thoughts. I just take my cup of coffee and sit in the balcony for some time and just, you know, be with myself and completely away from technology. I think that is the most important for me. So for fitness, I think eating becomes one of the most important things, and also working out. So I think this is the first time in our lives that me and my husband are working out together, because otherwise invariably one of us is watching Arham and the other one is in the gym, and vice versa. So this is the only time that we both are at home and the kids are at home, so all of us can make a family activity out of it. So that's great. And the other thing that I've incorporated is fruit routine, which somehow we often miss when we go to office because I always forget to carry fruits, and when Ariza goes to school, you know, it gets difficult to incorporate that routine in her life as well. So yeah, eating and working out are definitely sorted, and also working out together I think is a great you know, mood uplifter, and you tend to feel really happy, and it does kick in the happy hormones too. I think the most important thing that I've learned during this lockdown is that there is nothing more important than the fact that I'm with the family and there is a roof over my head. And to be honest, the demands that we have as human beings are really very simple. You need good food, you need a house to live in, and you need love. And once you have all of that, there's really nothing more to that. So I think the appreciation for little things in life has definitely been much more during the lockdown. So interestingly, one of the most amazing things that I'm experiencing during the lockdown while at home is the bond between Ariza and Arham, and I'm really looking forward to taking both of them down in the garden and out in the outdoors. I really want to take Arham to the beach. I want him to experience the sand and the water. I want to take him to the pool, and I want to take him to the swings, and I want to see how Ariza's reaction is when he's sitting on the swings, and how he's reacting when he's actually out in the outdoors again, you know. He's going to be 1 soon, and this is his time to experience nature. So I really want to do that with the kids. Oh, that has to be Jhadu pocha. I'm so not enjoying it, and I really don't want to do it once the lockdown is over. The only thing that I want to tell the people who are struggling to stay happy and healthy during this time is that please count your blessings and concentrate on what you have. And most importantly, this too shall pass. It's going to be over and life will come back to normalcy very soon. And maybe you miss this time after that. So just that.